So we've made it into Lawn Hill. The road's not actually too bad. It is a little bit rough once you get through the gates and into Lawn Hill itself. There's a lot of dirt, a couple of tar sections through as well. But yeah, we're taking a bit of a walk down to check out some of the water. There is entry points along the camping area. A bloke just told me to go up this way for the waterfall, so we're walking along trying to find this waterfall. Alright, we'll show you when we get there. So as you can see, once you walk off the car park area, it's all paved, concrete path. Very nice through though. Some nice big red rocks and that up here. There's a falls lookout. So you've got a couple of these signs, Lawn Hill Creek. I think we'll take those tomorrow. It's getting a bit late in the afternoon to do too big of a walk. So this is the colour of the water. It's like a really nice spot. Wow, this is amazing. Bit of a steep stairwell though. Couple of fish in there too. So this is the walk to the falls lookout. Yeah, really nice scenery walking through here. It's just a graded sort of path. It's not real hard, it's quite easy to walk. And first couple of stairs as well. Got all these nice little cliff bits as you're walking through here. It's quite pretty with the nice reds. The sun was out, it really put some nice light on it. Yeah, it's a great little walk. From near the camp area, it said it was roughly 800 metres to here. So we'll keep walking along and see what else we can find and give you a look when we get there. As you can see, it's a really nice. Lots of red rock everywhere, red dirt. So you got the falls, 170 metres to go. Lookout 270. Another lookout, I cannot pronounce these names. 1.1 k's. The upper gorge lookout is 2.2. And that's where we are. Got more time, we'll see how we go and take one of the other ones as well, but let's go and check these falls out. 170 metres to go. It's a bit rocky and quite loose under the foot, sandy rock in sections, and other parts is just solid rocks. Come up and over that little crest thinking, well, we've made it, but not quite. It's like a big lead up. It's quite green in most of the spots through here though. It's been really dry all the way here and up a little bit north and on our way across. But yeah, beautiful spot. So they're pretty good. They've got signs letting you know where to go on the way through. So I think we'll take the track down now. Oh, this is a beautiful little oasis. Oh, wow. This is beautiful. I had some photos in, so I don't think camera will do justice on this. This is absolutely amazing. You can swim in here. There is freshwater crocs. Just check to make sure they haven't closed it at the time. They do close things occasionally, so as you are checking it out and booking in, just make sure you turn around and check out and make sure there's any warnings out there. It's quite a bit of a steep track down actually. And there's a couple of stairs, you just got to pick your track I guess, but have a go at that. Righto, let's get down there. I was just told the water's roughly 20-25 degrees in there. It's nice and warm and is most of the time, most of the year. Obviously if you get a good wet it would cool it down slightly, but there's so many fish in here. I think there's a barramundi by the look of it down there. Not sure if you can see that in there. A couple of little turtles and lots of these little archer fish, the ones with the dots on their back. And yeah, put your hand up over the edge and they actually will spit water into your hand thinking that it's food, which is pretty cool. I'm not sure if I got that. The guys on the boat were actually just doing it and tried filming it. I'm not sure if it actually worked out though. If not, bring a bit of bread and they'll give it a go. See if we can get them to take a bit of a shot at us. Hey, there you go. Not sure if you can see that, but spit water up. And it's a good height from there. Hey, geez, they're a good shot. Hey, and again. Bit of fun. There you go. Look at that. They don't miss. I'll try and keep the camera back because there's a good chance they'll go for that too. There you go. Unreal. It's a good way to keep the kids occupied with the fish in here. Between that and having a beautiful swim. Righto, we're going to head back to camp anyway and go and set up. And then take one of these walks tomorrow and check out a bit more and go and have a swim. As you can see, I'll just put it on the sign. There is the warning. Like I said though, on the website, when you book to camp here, it actually states any warnings or any work that they're actually doing around the park. Righto, let's go. Take this truck back up. Longest walk from what we found so far is about 2.2 k's, and these tracks are pretty easy. It's just a dirt track. A nice gorge area that you walk next to and walk around. It's a pity the sun's not putting some nice colours out on these rocks, but I suppose it is keeping the heat down. It's still pretty muggy. It actually looks like it's going to rain, but more than likely it won't. It's just a fairly muggy afternoon. So I just thought we'd share. The tracks aren't that bad, and some of these nice little gorge hills. As we're walking back to the camp area. So I think the campsite, it says that you can't have, or you don't have phone signal there. My phone's with Telstra, and I thought I'd just give it a go just in case. And I actually had signal, so that says a fair bit. And most people say you don't have signal here.